Okay, and here we have the infamous Jen Hill laying the hammer down, as we like to say. It's raining. It's kind of backed off a little bit, but it's been pouring out here. She's got 200 sledges she's got to do, 100 at each side. Look at that form, look at that technique. Jen, what do you think?
Awesome.
Awesome?
I live for this craziness.
Oh, your back, your arms, your shoulders look amazing.
That's body construction.
How do you feel?
Good.
Feel good? This is all after the workout, right?
Yeah, let's cool down.
This is a cool down. Good job, baby. Keep it up. How many more you got?
25 each arm.
50 left. All right.